Borrowly.net, an online platform that claims to help people get personal and installment loans, even if they have bad credit. They also say the process is quick, with fast approvals, soft credit checks that don't affect your score, and sometimes even same-day funding. Sounds convenient, right? But let's take a closer look and see what's really going on. First, the positive side. Borrowly.net's domain was registered in 2022, so it has been around for a few years now. That usually adds a bit of credibility because it shows the site is not brand new or temporary. Another thing worth noting is transparency. They do mention some team members on their website. For example, they list Clara C. as a content writer and Eric L. as part of their technical or management team. Seeing real names can make a platform feel more open and structured. They also provide contact details like an email address and a physical location. And honestly, that does help users feel like there's at least some way to reach support if something goes wrong. Now, let's talk about the concerns. When we look at Trustpilot, Borrowly.net has a rating of around 3.4 stars, but based on only a few reviews. So, the feedback is mixed, and not really enough to form a strong conclusion. Things get more interesting when we check Reddit discussions. Some users report receiving alerts about payday loan applications in their name, even though they never applied. In several cases, Borrowly is mentioned alongside other lenders like Finterra and CheckGo. There are also reports from identity protection users, like LifeLock, showing notifications of loan applications being submitted using personal information. Now, in some situations, people only saw soft credit checks. But in others, accounts appeared in subprime credit bureaus, which raises more questions about what's actually happening behind the scenes. So what does this all mean? Borrowly.net does have some signs of a real platform, like a few years of history, listed team members, and visible contact details. But at the same time, the limited reviews and mixed feedback online make it hard to fully trust. And the reports about unexpected loan applications are definitely something to be cautious about. So here's the simple advice. If you're thinking about using platforms like this, always monitor your credit report closely. Check for any unusual activity, and be very careful before sharing sensitive personal information online. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.